Mwancho murigereria miyamana soko choregeta seni kiago gya Soko TV hasobot koboiga bwa gatano na gatatu motinyero ikomina rimu mwaka no gwechiri bobere 25 na kukwandre na gukwarigania senchira bene asemese amayekuru ensoko chinsa isatu tosanga senchira yoboikira no kumanyana aria ya aene kiwe na botambe kurwa sorongorwa gusie county ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira ne county chonse 45 na ibere nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi director zaki Kenya kuru studio ya Kabere nero gochokombwata sia chinga kechiga kwani kya 25 ngo chara senchirerengia mwanchu murigeria MSM ya kuru ensoko chinsa isatu achakire bono naya negati yari nkwariganirete botko bwarero
takonyo ikega igase kenyore kiyichibobi onyare ntukuigwete nayo nyare kosoyo koboko
yamate kurwa chibobi gesusugo sababu konyi bokonyora wheelchair korro byobogima bo mwamatobo amenyeto no barema
opasa na ya ndiye yote na moya ni nyumba tate abo
njore buna omurai nani mbakorra magendro muske Hilary Nyanga hosabira abanyari bari bamasaba.
I'm pleading with all the candidates that on behalf of ODM party kindly take note that when you go to cause mayhem in these elections, you may end up also harming young ones.
Lekiama ya ODM nigo ya sabire omorembe bosibo bochoyo bokeborobeyo mweri bomotyenyoyo. Karibu sana mwancho murigeria nabono hamaya kuru ensoko chinsa isa tutogo chaka no robotiro kubwatia maiga ya anasa maiga fo matanga boko mwenia anamora aboki ayonya rakoba ga koenekiwa asensemo ya getirie wodi ya gesusu eyo bagaine ne wodi ya Nyacheki asensemo ebunge nyaribari masaba asegatia barai kuru asechinsemo baikirana unencheremo yokuru engora akorwamo no MC we wodi ya Nyacheki mheshimiwa Naftalo Nkoba oyo koriekerego kyo jumbe hasenseme yo yebunge nyaribari ya masaba engineer Hilary Nyanga niko bono banyare ko bakoroko boria gochia saba sae gweso kya sobonge kweri kya buna baki chukura na boigo kwene kya buna nkomo bwate sebare asesabari yaye yokuria hoborai bwe bunge yo asoba choryo bone bori bosio omwaka bwe chirobere 25 na ibere buna gotomanyo muri kito Sophie Oigara
se amatanga yoko mwenye nyagosira anamura oboki ayo anyara gukorekana asechinsemo cha geteri ewodi ya gesusu ere bagaine ne wodi ya Nyacheki ime yebunge nyaribari masaba neria ya bobasi ase abasani nabarai ao banyara guikerana komwa eskoyo mwerio kurwa ase obiko bwense
ase familia kubate pole sana na oturamo kurwenga kiyo nonyani goro ekera mwango no musafara nabe toko gokwanenga regali abo golitia ba
nonya nabo amatangayo nigo anyara guikiranwa nabarai bechingenjo ao baria bare ase birogo byoborai na baria bakoboria amo nabaria baikirana no MCA Onyacheki Naftalo Nkoba noyo gochakoboria ekirogo kyobujumbe wanyaribari masaba engineer Hilary Nyanga nabo banyara benyorera ribaga yogosemia abasae kubwata chikura
kwani buno mwana siasa kuna kukwamire gali nga one time singe cyo mugwa kongere pi kurura ali serikali lakini na wewe arote one time onye ko kubwate kura to take responsibility to tell our youth Gen Z's walitoko muka twagende district kubwate chikura aso wonge ewika 2027 ni tutubwate chinkuru cyogo chorabarai
Singa kecho nigo engineer Hilary Nyanga enyorera ribaga yogukwanera abamenyi kurwa sensemeyo abo asabatebye buna umwaka 2027 noare asokurwanerera ekerogo kyobujumbe bwanyaribari masaba abasanyara ko basemya wakachikura chokoleta amagenderero ayo arachikoimukia nyaribari masaba igoro
abantu bamindongi yamono sana mwambwate sikira inji era unielia lakini je sana nimaite bono omoja ukunwe nkoro opasa na ya ndiye yote na moya ni nyumba tate abo usebono pasa tate ni nyumba ya Nyasaye na inu wanga chikura moya ni nyumba
asenonya umugambi w'ikenyore ikyonere anyara gosemia abayiburi na barobo ingango cebari kwene kiakorenda abana babo cinga kiciga bare asomutimuko werusa entambe nako basemia gotiga enaro yo kunya gutuma abana gocha amaili
abana bakabarendo bila wote wa children yagara kwa niga kwa chakere ko receive cases
in discipline cases tia bana renda abayol renda bana parenting is not a delegated responsibility. Otomo mwana go chali wali ayabona otoko manyanga ndia kaba kuruke ga koyana gocha asale yebera na bana bayino.
Nguripotere egetesene keiga agenso kokorwa e county ya Kisii nchenkuru Sophie Oigara.
Tukoskabosio mwancho morigereria umurwandiri wikirego kyobo jumbe ase ensemo ibunge ya Kasipul oyo onyarako bakagwesoke na kugikeria chibura buru hechio chaene kigwa amatuko abwangoiga ase gati yabamenyi kurwa sensemo yo basira magima abana abande gutegerwa chingoma soko ngusana negati yababwatani babara yabo bakoriya hobora yasobochorio boke hoboro bire kwane kiwa mwerio omutinyoiga bagokwana bose obochorio bo nigo burache ko babo kwariganirwa maiga yo mujumbe bwensemo ibunge yo mwishimiwa Hongondo were gusiro bogima bwae asokoraswa n'abantu batamanyira somochi o Nairobi.
By violence and elimination can be restrained if somebody comes out to maintain law and order. We urge the police to come out and do so if it is their work, not ours. Finally, I call upon all leaders to put the interest of our people first. Let us honor the memories of those who we have lost by building a community rooted in love, respect and understanding. To the people of Kasipul, we are resilient people. We have faced challenges before and emerged stronger each time. Together we will overcome this moment of sorrow and continue our journey towards a peaceful and prosperous Kasipul. May the souls of the departed rest in eternal peace and may God bless Kasipul.
All candidates who are going to participate in this election take into account that we are in a period where all schools are closed. And all these rallies are not only attended by mature people, but also by young school-going students who are actually attracted by either the noise or by the activities that are going on around where they are. I'm pleading with all the candidates that on behalf of ODM party, kindly take note that when you go to cause mayhem in these elections, you may end up also harming young ones.
We want a peaceful coexistence. Two, I want to also reiterate that as the area MCA where we have the victims, who most of them were beaten, and we also had 2 who succumbed to this incident, I want to send the message of condolence to my people, and I want to say that let us have peace such that we can have, at the end of everything, we shall have a candidate. And I want to say that we have a prominent candidate.
Tukoskabosio mwancho morigereria emateyemo kurwa sechinsemo chia ekenyoro kia chibuobi ekigotoka sensemo yewodi ya Gesusu imenyari bari Masabe county ya Kisii nigo bayasokire na gusaba bokonyora wheelchair erio banyara ko bakorobya hobogima bumwa matobo yomenyete no barema nabuno murikito Sophie Oigara ko era sorobotiro kubwatia nigo amateyo yasabire abarai nabega bana inchi bonsi abo babwato moyo bugwancha gwesokya nakobakonya gokora humuchando yo.
Mate eyemo kurwa ase kinyoro yechibuobi yegotoka ime ye wodi ya Gesusu ebunge nyaribari Masaba county ya Kisii nigo ritkoria rero banyarire gwesokya na gusaba obokonyi kubatikana n'oburemeru amo na makongu babeire bagwetera asegeka kiemia kabono
oyo gamu muruminto aki ubunikire miaka 7 tukwana tukubika nyumba aki yuri no gokonya tigamokonye
oyo rwarete nendugu yane monene iganyoreta chali yange miaka 7 yaetire akabunike bachu ime ukamuira akabikirwa ichuma akaraba ange omwako mugima atari gutara akoeni gukurwa obikumwaye oeni gukurwa ryo ochansika
nonya nabo nigo banyara gokwana na goteba buna omugaka omonyene nkeyo nigo arwarire asegeka kiemiaka 5 magega yokonyora omubasokano oyuireretse kore Maria amagoro ayonsi komenta nayo nigo bateba buna banyarire konekere gento kurwa asenkeyo erinde gotema gwisania chibesa echo nonya kirachikubakonya kugorera omugaka oyo wheelchair kurende ogotema kwabo nkoranyora matunda ande
yamenyete no bokongo bonene mugako yabunegete ngo muimuki koru nyumba na masokisiko abekere chichuma magoronsi nasumbukire miaka 7 ngomocoki ngumwira ni nyumba njino muntu ngocoki ikebarua bono ngasunyi ngocoka bono ngachaka gukora imirimo yayo kumocokia na kumwira ni isiko na kumwira no gocibigwa tari kunyara gwicibia asinge nchabikire chuchuma
bono naende igaika engaki agacha agateng'eri naende akabuneke bachwende bono ni gachandigete omongi noe gachandigete igakomoenia omoreta nsiko omwanikero omwaso aisa kogenda kumurigeri ching'eni gose mugonda agenda embura isa gotwa na monto taiyo mochia igakonyora otwereruska
abo ase banyarire gosaba abasamaria bari bare no moyo bogwancha gocha gwesokia erinde banyare kubasira konyora wheelchair eyo erache gokonya omugako yo gusukira nonya no gutarera
bono ngusaba gaki yo na liso lya mabera amokonye guriche agaki erinyole libaga bwesoki bieke erinyole libaga nanche soki kebarua nyenyorere kende bono gaki ngusaba liso lya mabera ochumbe torera mabera nera rukende guriche atuyoka
banene na mukine nkeyo mukigura bogete kende nke yandike komokonya ande gaki nonye baba Anthony aibachiete twabaete chikura baba simbarati natonya toto gaki tumuigwete lakini ntwanya komorora arabu noyo ndoyo manduku ochite bakagesona ngai gaki era chiete rende miaka yaerire kana akonye muno yo gochandikite kana gaki naye tokonye ike gase kenyore kiye chibobi onyare ntuko igwete nayo nyare gosoyo koboko nabo gaki to gukorigerere na intu tata gaki tokonye ke basagana igwire jana ne yemo
nguripoteria igechesene kigagia nsoko kuroiga kesusu imenya ari bari masaba county ya Kisii inte nkoro kwa Sophie oigara
Toska bose mwancho murigeria muraibwensi Kenya muske William Ruto nigori tukoria rero habwato kasenchira bene obotendri bwensemeria ya Amboseli National Park kurwa serikali na nego chia serikali ye county ya Kajiado henkwane yoni goyane kiwa hasomo yiga oyorange wariganirwa bugochengera hegekoro kyabamanya se county ya Kajiado
of the management functions of Amboseli National Park to the county government of Kajiado from the national government, to whom these presents shall come, greetings. Whereas Amboseli National Park, previously known as the Southern Reserve for Maasai, and later the Maasai Amboseli Game Reserve, has undergone a remarkable evolution from Maasai ancestral ownership through a period of colonial control to joint stewardship by the government and the local community.
The Maa Nation has been lamenting, has been crying, has been praying, has been doing everything to say, while we have been the community that has embraced other Kenyans who live with us, we continue to suffer serious historical injustices on our land. And today, Mr. President, you have stood with us.
Ikiwa Masai yuko Samburu, ama yuko Kajiado, ama yuko Narok, ama yuko pahali pengine, hata Arusha, nimeona kwamba nyinyi kama kuna lengo, na kuna wazo, na kuna nia, mnakuja pamoja na mnatatua.
As part of preserving the splendor of our heritage, advancing our national aspiration for shared prosperity, and in exercise of the authority vested in the heads of state of Kenya, today I have directed that the management of Amboseli National Park is now vested in the county government of Kajiado.
Toska bose mwancho murigeria ba engineer nigo bono barure hegekure tindigo chia serikali kubatakana no muswada hoyora se bunge horengete go chakora monchorera serichiko elyo kwanekya chinguru chomoro westima egetambukire kyo kirache koirira gokinia rigori asabono gukwana bosio bwe committee ye senate tenete chinguru echo chomoro westima litukoria rero nigo morayo Institute of Engineers of Kenya Shama kitime hanyarako bakagoteba buna amagori ayo nigarachi koirira gokina na kwenekya buna humwana inchi nachikonyana chinga kichinkongu kwegendereria
increase the cost of energy. projects which engineers are involved in, and oftentimes we are accused of hiking the cost so that we can get a cut. We think that the ripple effect is that we'll have a cost of energy to consumers going high, and where maintenance of well lifts is an issue, we believe that counties can develop bylaws to levy penalties on offending utilities instead of amending the Mother Act, so that then they can feel the pain and the need to comply, and making sure that the well lift maintenance is something that counties can easily handle as opposed to the current situation. So we do believe that the amendment of the clause does not deal with the root cause, which is stated in the memorandum of these changes. And so therefore our position is categorically, Chair, that you do not amend, but you retain the current clause as it is.
Tuska bose mwancho murigaria hokoborwa nigo bono kwa rure gochase serikali kone kyankurero basemia gochase chikampari higoro yechinchera chiogwetanga kurwa samakongo au hayo hagocha nigo haya ainekiwa nomo director we company ya Erad Organization Stephen Gitai asate bira bakorie mirema bange tibari konyora hobo manyi boigo chisemi chiogo yakonya na gwetanga kurwa samakongo aiga chinga kya kobanyora.
What informed me to come up with this forum is to see the need of sensitizing the business owners on why risk management is very critical for profitability and growth. Because you find 70% of the businesses are closing shops before their 5th year of operation because of the risk that were evitable. But unfortunately, these businesses were not able to identify this risk before they became catastrophic to the business, which led to their closing.
Data, we can also protect our internal data, and we are also capable of not only protecting the data, but how we handle the data, how we store the data, the frequency of the backups, and how safe that data has to be, and also the diversity of how we're going to store the data. So there are some suggestions. There's also the cloud storage, as well as having a physical storage, and also the frequency matters.
Educate me more about risk in terms of business, and as I've learned just in the session, it also goes to individual risks that I may incur. For me, what it has taught me is that probably the lack of knowledge makes you feel like you're very small, okay? But with the right knowledge and understanding, you can be able to enhance your business and make yourself better and whatever industry you are in as well, okay? And as a session that is going on right now, we're also learning that there are other ways you can be able to get funding to grow your business. They will come, they will do for you the risk analysis, your financial analysis and all that. And they can also help you to be able to get the funding that you need.
Or business coaching to understand the kind of business. Now, government can come in to assist these investors, because you find a lot of people could be having capital, but they don't have the skills to do business. So government can try come in with issue of subsidies to bridge the skills gap that highly exists in the market.
Tuska bosio mwancho murigaria hokogania nkororo kurwase habarai hasensemo ya Mount Elgon kwenenke una habatakwana nkonyora bari chinchera icho kwegenderia ase amagimabo bunenchira yamo yoko bakonya barabukwerusana nya sobwengi bwa marwari atancheiri nigegati ya barai banyareko babagwikirana sensemeyo nago chakia emeroberio anemono yoko bakonya sobo yeso ya soboremi naboigo ebyombe au ebirache ko bakonya barabukwerusana nya kurwa sobwengi bwa marwari atancheiri ase chinsemecho.
Ofisi ya NACADA itakuja hapa ili wasikize, tufanye ili tuweze kuona kwamba hao partners wetu wote, kama kuna mtu kwa sababu ya umaskini ambaye ameingia kwa mambo ya kutengeneza pombe, tuone njia ya kuweza kuondoa.
I think kuna vikundi ambayo mumejipanga katika kila ward. I think kuna ships ambazo zinapatiwa katika the 6 wards. Na tunasema lazima ikuwe merry-go-round. Leo kikundi ukipata ship akizaa, turudishie ule mtoto. Turudishie ule mtoto ili tupatie kikundi ingi.
Tunaomba kwamba muzi ingie tena mambo ya pombe haramu. Pombe haramu ndio imepoteza watoto wetu. Ukichunga mtoto wako, chunga pia mtoto wa jirani. Kwa sababu usipatie mtoto wa jirani pombe, ukifikiria unadhuru mtoto wa jirani. uko unadhuru mtoto wako, kwa sababu mtoto wa jirani wakati atakuwa kule mambo zile zingine za kunywa pombe, hata yako atajua na kwamba wache niende nikunywe pombe. Kwa hivyo sisi wote tutapoteza tukiingia mambo, na nimeshukuru kwa sababu program hii sasa imewafunza.
Lakini leo nataka hapa kila mjane ako hapa apande nini? Panda kahawa, you will never go wrong. Na mimi na marafiki zangu ambao nitaenda kuwahimiza, nataka kupledge 500,000 seedlings ya coffee kwa wajane. Tutaongea na kina mama Rosalind, tuone vile tutaorganize next planting season from April. Tutakuja na ile tutapata, lakini mpaka 500,000 itoshe kila mama. Lakini before tulete, lazima uchimbe machini.
Mwanchumo rigereria narayo kurwa sema ya kurwa nsoko chinsa isato asobot ko begango kwa kirambo ya mona sogo sangana intwe awego mbuya mono wochia sabari kibaito ba mangare bari bana kyabuna nko yanyora tora senchirengi ase obot ko boiga ase director zaki Kenya na seri bagaria ya Joshua Nyauma kuru studio ya Kabere chenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi togo ko ganria obot ko buya awego gandra kwego kya nemero bere gandra ta sembeo yen soko TV tomeranda sembeo nyasaye kawanchi.
Eje Nensoko TV. Oboro